Here's another Swiss Army knife that was made in 1991 as part of the anniversary, 100-year anniversary. This one happens to be a Wenger model. It has a stylized 700 logo with the Swiss cross and CH91. The back is plain. Like I said, this is a Wenger model, but it's a special model. It's the VIP model, which is 75 millimeters long. It has the standard tools like you would see in a Esquire. This one happens to have markings on the blade for Sandoz, which is I believe it's a pharmaceutical company. The scissors, as well as the inserts here on the end, toothpick and tweezers. An anniversary type knife, I believe ordered for a company though, so it wasn't like an official Wenger anniversary knife. Nice advertising memorabilia. Thanks for watching.